we're going to learn front and back post stitches. Starting with double crochet, I've double crocheted in the first stitch just to get us started. You're going to work around that post. Usually it's into a half double crochet or double crochet because they're taller. So I'm going to go from the front of the work to the back, right to left, around the post. Pull through, yarn over, and finish as you would a regular double crochet. Again, from front to back, right to left, around the post instead of through the V on top. And back post is next. You're going to work from the back of the fabric to the front. And this time you will see as you insert your hook back through that it pulls the post to the back side of the work. From back to front. The front posts hide the V's you usually work into, or the back posts have the V's sitting in front. So do a couple front post triple crochets. It's exactly the same idea. They will just end up taller, useful when you're doing a lot of cabling. Do one more front post double crochet, because when you are done with your post stitches and you need to do a regularly placed stitch, you have to check carefully where you place. It's going to look like you need to place it right there, but that's actually the top of the post you just worked around, so you need to move over. There you can see that each stitch was accounted for, there's no holes. I'll finish the row. And post stitches are nice and easy to see and count because you can see how they line up because they worked exactly over the post of the last stitch. And the turning chain at the end.